Clinical placements are central to medical education. They're where students learn medicine and where they learn to be doctors, and so it's really important that London Medicine takes on the challenge of looking at what makes a good quality clinical placement as one of the first priorities in the Vital Signs project. The mapping of clinical placements is important for a number of reasons. It lets us understand how we're using placements and whether we're using them well, but it also allows us to look at the quality of placements. As we begin to expand medical student numbers and allied health professionals across London, it's also important for us to understand what the pinch points might be and where we might need to be creative in how we look at placements.
One of the highlights of this project has been the involvement of the students in providing feedback. And it's been very interesting to see what they value and what they think might be done differently within their placements.
So we've discussed a lot of recommendations at the meeting today. I think the one that particularly resonated with me was the practical aspects. So yes, I know what kind of placement I'm doing, but it's also nice to know about key staff, who I'm meant to contact, provisions and logistics. It makes things a little bit more fluid and efficient.
So from HEE's point of view, what we would be hoping that we would be seeing in terms of next steps from this activity would be to think about how we can link up more, so we can see what the learner experiences, what the trainer experiences, and what the overall quality of the learning and service environment is that this teaching is taking place in.
In our medical school, we'll use London Medicine's findings on clinical placements in a number of ways. We'll definitely be using the students' recommendations when we go and discuss placements with our providers, but we'll also be looking at that placement map as we begin to think about what other types of placements we can offer our students.
I think one of the good things about projects like these is that actually we're beginning to see medicine from the other side of the fence. So of course we have the student's perspective, but it's completely different to see things from the educator's side, and bringing the two together I think is the way forward, and hopefully will lead to many new avenues in medical education.